So I'm making this video to show the changes and upgrades since the Tiny Home Tours video was made. First off, I've put this map as a wall covering. It's not very useful, but it's kind of pretty. It just shows the altitudes and the major cities. It was an old school map, and I was able to put the East Coast down there. Alright, anyway, so I also have of course added my air conditioner that I'm getting ready to turn over here. But in fact, it's been interesting to watch the power supply go up and down as we have high clouds. 17 amps now at whoops, that's my max, 28 volts, 27 volts practically at 17 amps. But what I'd made for this was a new cover that I thought would change the look of my solar controller to something a little more classic. It is a decade amplifier from probably the late 50s. It actually has a voltmeter on here and a little button that reads the voltage at 27 volts, as you can see, or I can turn it on over there and leave it on. I'm not using that very much. I also put a temperature sensor on here just to measure a few different temperatures, my refrigerator. But also the actual main change has been over here where I've put this piece on the wall. It's an old table that was in my mother's house, but in fact what I do with it at this point is move these cushions out from there, drop it down, and it becomes the bench. But first, the top from the Murphy bed is also being used first off as a additional cushion. That wasn't how it was built. The idea is that this does hold this on here if I get it turned the right way. And then the cushions can go up on here, make the bed into an extension that makes it pretty much 6.5 by 6.5 feet. But the main purpose of this piece is to be dropped down behind there, and the cushions are put onto here to be a couch. And then when they become a couch, then this piece here is a Landau type table made out of iron pipe and locks itself into place over here. So that's the first part of this process, and it is kind of a interesting looking table. But also the additions include a new composting toilet built out of a old plastic toolbox. The reason it works so well is that it's inside my shower. It acts as to be watertight, and inside I'm able to put peat moss on both sides, and actually I've got a roll of toilet paper and a lid that pops off of here, and then the toilet paper still does hang out to this side over here. And so then eventually I'll probably take this thing, and it's a sink now, make it into a urine diverter if I need one of those. And then I've added this piece of pipe insulation onto this little pop out, partly because it then serves as a place to put my feet up. In addition to that, then, I have made a filler for this side section that includes a couple of 3 outputs for power, but it also basically is designed to still be a level that could be put up here and operate as a level. But really what it does is it hides the new vacuum cleaner that is 12 volt. Plug it in here and you create a vacuum cleaner. And I have some more ends and fittings that I need to be able to vacuum my floor. That's just for fun, really. Seems kind of silly. But I had the parts, so I built it. And then this will go right back into here. And snaps into place. Now that's one thing, yes, that makes my life somewhat better. But really, the air conditioner, no wonder I've been having trouble with the air conditioner. I had put the cover on. Well, it seemed to be working okay. I should test that with the cover on. But the reason I built it this way was that I'm able to actually box out the air conditioner with the piece of styrofoam wall that I cut out. I was able to put on top of the air conditioner the little things that came with it to fill out the sides, the metal part, to complete a box that then can be moved out. And this comes out, and that comes out. And this section of the wall can be easily taken out, put into there, so that when I'm running the air conditioner, it's supposed to be set up like that, but actually maybe it was working okay before. I'm going to test that back with the door back in there and see. I guess that's everything for now.